Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all posts on Facebook page. So let's get started. Begin by opening your Facebook application. Make sure you're logging to your Facebook page. Then tap on your profile icon. Scroll down until you find Manage Post button. Tap on it. Now tap on Published button. To delete all the posts on Facebook page, just tap on Select All option. And then tap on the Edit button at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on Move to Recycle bin. Items in your recycle bin will be automatically deleted after 30 days. You can delete them from your recycle bin earlier by going to Activity Login your settings. And if you are sure, tap on the Delete button. And this is how you can delete all posts on Facebook page. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.